Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. A Japanese general had a big idea. He wanted to attack. His army was small, but he believed they could win. The soldiers did not feel as sure. They were worried. They talked quietly among themselves. On the way to the battle, they stopped at a shrine. A shrine is a special place for prayer. The general and his soldiers prayed. They asked for strength and courage. After praying, the general said, "I will toss a coin." The soldiers looked at him curiously. He held up the coin. "If it lands on heads, we will win. If it lands on tails, we will lose. Destiny will decide." The general tossed the coin high into the air. Everyone watched it spin and turn. As the coin fell, they held their breath. The coin landed on the ground. It showed heads. The soldiers cheered loudly. They felt strong and confident. They believed they could win now. With their spirits high, they fought bravely in the battle. They worked together as a team. They did not give up. In the end, they won the battle. After the battle, a lieutenant approached the general. He said, "No one can change destiny." The general smiled at him. He pulled out the coin that he had tossed. "You are right." The lieutenant looked surprised when he saw the coin. It had heads on both sides. This meant the general chose the result. The soldiers learned that sometimes belief and courage can shape the future. And that, my friends, is the story of destiny. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.